Hey guys! In this video I wanted to show you a speed painting of one of the waves that I did recently, and this was actually inspired by our stay in southern Italy, and it was just amazing. I took the photos myself and the sea was just beautiful. And it's actually the first time that I bathed in October. But anyway, I just wanted to let you know that this is my new class, which is now available on Skillshare. It's a mini class. It lasts just over half an hour, and we are going to be painting the wave together. So as you see, the one in the speed painting here. I also wanted to let you know that all my patrons get free access to this class as usual, and they get a special critique for their work that they do in this class. So if you are subscribed to me on Patreon, don't forget to post your work, as you can get the critique if you'd like. And yeah, that is basically it. Very busy recently, so posting less videos. Sorry for that. I hope you're not disappointed, everyone that's following me. But if this is the first time that you actually see my videos, then hi, I'm Kate. And don't forget, you can check out my channel for more pastel tutorials and some artsy tips as well. So I will let you watch this video until the end, and I will see you in the next upcoming videos soon. Bye!